soils of India. The importance of soil. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. It is very important to us. Plants grow in soil. Animals depend on plants for their food. Thus, all the living things depends on the soil for their food. In villages, people build houses of mud, pots, etc. with soil. We make cloth from plants like cotton and jute. Moving on, how soil is formed. Rocks on the earth are broken down into small pebbles by rain, flowing water, etc. These pebbles break down further to form tiny pieces of soil. Wind, rain, rivers carry the soil to different places. Remains of dead plants and animals mix with the soil to make it fertile. It takes more than 100 years for nature to make just 1 centimeter of soil. Types of soils which are found in India. First, we will start with the alluvial soil. The rivers of the northern plains bring with them large quantities of silt or alluvium. This gets deposited on the land around the river. This is called the alluvial soil. The alluvial soil is very fertile soil. It is found in the northern plains and in the deltas of Deccan Plateau. Next is the black soil. Black soil is formed from the lava that comes from the volcanoes. Most of the Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and parts of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Rajasthan have this soil. The red soil. The rest of the southern plateau contains soil that is red in color. It is not as fertile as black soil, but can be made fertile by adding manure. It is good for crops such as jawar, bajra, and groundnut. Laterite soil. This type of soil is found in the Western Ghats and parts of Tamil Nadu. It is rich in iron and aluminium, and it is red in color. It is good for crops such as tea, coffee, spices, coconut and rubber. The desert soil. Desert soil contains mostly sand. It is found mainly in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Sandy soil cannot hold much water. It is therefore not fertile. The mountain soil. Mountain soil is very rich in humus. Humus is the remains of dead plants and animals. The minerals present in the humus make the soil very fertile. Mountain soil is found in the Himalayan region and the northern eastern parts of the India. This soil is very good for growing fruits such as apple, pear, peach and plum. What is soil erosion? The fertile top layer of the soil is carried away by wind and water to a different place. This is called soil erosion. It makes the soil infertile. roots of the plants hold the soil together and prevent erosion. Planting trees of afforestation is the most important method of preventing soil erosion. Covering of bare farmland with grass or dried vegetation. Terrace farming in hills and buildings. Embankments along river banks are some other methods to prevent soil erosion. We cut trees for fuels and to build farms, cities and roads. This is called deforestation. And deforestation causes soil erosion.